Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub. And today I'll be talking about how to purchase prepaid credit and pay later. Yeah. So if due to some financial issues you don't have, the capacity and the audacity to buy a prepaid credit and you're thinking of how to, purchase one, then this particular video is for you. So first of all, make sure your prepaid meter, okay, supports this supports purchase via the ECG Power app. So make sure your prepaid meter supports, credit purchase via the ECG Power app. So if you don't have the app, kindly go to Play Store and search for Power app. Okay, Power app. So just search for Power app ECG. This is the app, ECG Power app. You can download it. The app is available for both iOS and Android. Okay. So just open the app and sign up with your number. Okay. It's easy signing up. Sign up with your number. Then add your meter details. So you can just tap on the meter details. Tap on the meter details and tap on the add prepaid meter. So you enter in your meter number, verify, and your meter will be successfully added to your account. So after you are done with that, just tap on the pay. So pay and select the meter that you want to top up. So select the meter that you want to top up. Okay. So this is the meter that I want to top up. So the amount that you like to purchase. Yeah. So let's say I want to purchase maybe 200 Ghana cedis. No, let me say 5 Ghana cedis. So you just tap on the top up, the payment option. Okay. So these are the payment options that I have in here. Okay. So scroll down, or if yours is less, you realize there is pay small small. So with the pay small small, you top up your prepaid meter, and every 5 days a deduction will be done on your account. Yeah, deduction will be done on your account. So you just have to tap on the pay small small, and you realize in here this purchase will be split into 20 installments with payment automatically deducted on installment plan. So as I said earlier, if I confirm today, no payment will be deducted. Okay, but for the next 5 days, an installment will be deducted. Then following next 5 days, another installment will be deducted. So everything is, paid. Yeah. So you just have to tap on the check and pay. And that's it. So in here, the next thing is you have to select the wallet that the deduction should be done on. So select a particular wallet. Deduction will not be done immediately. Okay. So the next 5 days after the purchase, that's when the deduction will be done. So select that account. The installment plan, serializing here on the 8th. Today is 3rd. So the next 5 days, that's on the 8th of October, I'll pay 92 pesos. On the 13th of October, I'll pay 92. So I'll keep paying till my payment is done. Yeah. So you just have to tap on the confirm and pay. And that's it. Your prepaid credit is in. Yeah. So that's how easy and simple it is. Yeah. To buy prepaid credit for your prepaid meters if you are facing some financial constraints. Yeah. So that's how it is to buy prepaid credit on credit. Yeah, easy and simple. So you just have to confirm and that's it. Kindly note the next 5 days deduction will be done. Yeah, and I will advise you to pay when the time is due. Make sure you have enough balance in your account for deduction to be done, else it will affect your credit score. Yeah, and every Ghanaian has a credit score. Yeah, so if you don't pay, your credit score will be affected. Yeah. So please do so. So if you find this video useful and helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and also give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next video.